Today, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping to your Weebly website. This is essential for anyone running an online store as it allows you to set up proper shipping addresses and ensure your customers receive their orders smoothly. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website and online store. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. This is where all your key store management options are located. Find and click on Fulfillment. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how orders are processed and delivered to your customers. After clicking Fulfillment, you'll see additional options appear. Go ahead and click on Shipping. This is where you'll configure all your shipping settings and addresses. Now you'll see an option that says Add Ship from Address. Click on this button to begin the setup process. A form will appear on your screen, and this is where you'll enter all the important details about where your products will be shipped from. Having this information properly configured ensures smooth order processing and accurate shipping calculations for your customers. The form will ask you to enter several key pieces of information. Start by typing in your store name. This could be your business name or any identifier that helps you recognize this shipping location. Next, you'll need to enter your store address. Fill in the street address carefully, making sure all details are correct to avoid any shipping complications down the line. Continue filling out the form by entering your phone number. This contact information is important in case shipping carriers need to reach you about pickups or delivery issues. You'll also see a field for your email address, which is optional, but it's recommended to provide it for additional contact options and shipping notifications. Here's a helpful feature to note. You'll see a checkbox option that allows you to mark this as your main store address. If this is indeed your primary shipping location, go ahead and check this box. This saves you time and sets this address as your default for future orders. Once you've carefully reviewed all the information you've entered, click the Save button to finalize your shipping address setup. Your shipping configuration is now complete, and you're ready to start processing orders with accurate shipping information. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.